Hi everyone, today for reading, you are going to need your Ready Reading book and a pencil. So go ahead and pause the video if you need to and get those supplies. If you are all ready, then we are going to turn to page 86, which is the story that we're reading is called An Earful. Again, it's page 86. So go ahead and turn to that page. Okay. Let me get there too. Oops. Okay, so this is the page that you should be on. It's called An Earful. So what I want you to do is to go actually to page 88 and 89. Okay, and I did some of these answers for you, but I want you, before you read through the passage, to look through the questions on page 88, 89, 90, and 91. Read through those questions, find out what you're going to have to be answering, and then go through the passage and read it so that you have those questions in the back of your mind. So once you are all done with that, so go pause the video now, read through the questions, read through your passage, and then when you are all done, we are going to go ahead and start on page 88. Which I will do the first two questions with you, and then I want you to do the rest on your own. So number one says, based on details from paragraph 1, how would you describe Mrs. Olson? And I picked letter B. She likes learning to be fun, because if I look back at paragraph 1, I can see right here it says the class laughed, and she says everyone who gets an earful will get one of these. She just sounds like she's really trying to have fun with her class. Okay, so that is why I picked letter B for number 1. For number 2, it says, why is Jacob so upset about his homework assignment? I picked letter C. He thinks there will not be enough noises on a farm, because if I look at part B, it says underline a sentence from paragraphs 2 through 4 of the story that best supports your answer from part A. It says right here, how could he collect enough sounds on his family farm? So that is why he's so upset about his homework assignment, because he just does not know how he can collect all of these noises, and he wishes that he lived in town where there was more noises. So that is why. So I want you to do the rest on your own. Number 3 says, which detail explains why Jacob wished the animal crackers were real? Okay, so you're going to look back into the story and find animal crackers. Number 4 says, why does Jacob need a lesson on collecting sounds? Is it because he needs to learn how to follow directions? He doesn't hear the sounds around him? He can't tell one sound from another? Or he doesn't listen to his teacher or his parents? So you need to figure out why he needs a lesson on collecting sounds. Part B says to reread paragraphs 13 through 16. Put at least 4 sounds that Jacob could have collected into each column. So animal sounds and machine sounds, you're putting 4 in each column. And again, you're going to find those in paragraphs 13 through 16. Okay, number 5 says, read this sentence from paragraph 16. The lid on the tractor's smokestack rattled when it cuffed and chugged to a stop. So you are going to use context clues to find the meaning of the word smokestack. Number 6 says, which noise finally made Jacob aware that the farm had plenty of sounds? Okay, so you're going to find that in the passage. And number 7 says, how does Jacob feel about his homework at the end of the story? Is he still upset about it? Does he want help? Is he eager to start it, or does he decide to do it later? Okay. Then finally, you have a short response, It says the writer provides a number of details to show that Jacob was missing the sounds around him. Use some of those details to demonstrate that Jacob just wasn't listening. Okay, so you are going to find that in the passage and write a short response. If you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, just remember to really read through the story thoroughly and find your answers, and you should be good. If you have any questions, let me know.